Hey everyone, Steve Venturo coming to you from Gengras Chevrolet. I just wanted to take a second to talk to you about vehicle service contracts, or as some people used to call them back in the day, extended warranties. We want to make sure that you understand that no matter who you are, no matter what you bought or where you're from, we have service contracts available here at our dealership. The best part about doing business with us is that you don't even have to have bought your vehicle from us. It could have been at another dealer, it could have been off Facebook Marketplace. We offer coverages to any person, and we also offer those nationwide. You can do it remotely if you have internet access and an email. On top of that, you don't need to have the vehicle inspected. For a small amount of money down, you can actually pay for your service contract per month rather than paying it all up front. If you have any questions regarding this, or if you have a service contract that you'd like to purchase, please let me know as soon as possible. You can reach me on Facebook or at Gengras Chevrolet or via email. Thank you so much.